This is an essential skill everyone needs. It's especially important for. Welcome back. I'll show you how to get any logo from any website as an editable, 100% original logo, directly from the source, quick and easy. Useful for sourcing social media logos and other logos you're entitled to use in your designs, marketing, or content. I'll use LinkedIn logo from the LinkedIn website in this example tutorial. You can apply these steps to any other logo. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and let's get started. First, hover your mouse over the logo you want to get, right-click it, and then choose Inspect. That opens the browser developer panel, usually on the right. The SVG code for the logo should be highlighted in the Elements panel. Make sure the selected code starts with SVG and ends with /SVG. When you hover your mouse over that code, the corresponding logo on the page will be highlighted so you can confirm it's the correct logo code. Right-click the highlighted SVG code and choose Cut. You can also use the browser menu. From Edit, choose Copy. This copies the entire SVG markup to your clipboard. Open any text editor you have if you're on a Mac. Use TextEdit on Windows or Linux. Use any text editor. Paste the clipboard contents into the Open Text Editor document. From the Text Editor menu, click Format and choose Make Plain Text, so it won't add rich text formatting. This time, select a file and click Save. In the Save dialog, if your editor asks about adding an extension automatically, uncheck it. From the text encoding option, check if the UTF-8 option is selected. In the finding box, type a name and add .svg at the end. Then click Save. Navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Some logos may appear black. That's normal. Now open the SVG in a vector editor. I'm using Inkscape. You can use Illustrator, Affinity Designer, Canva, or another app. You'll find the LinkedIn logo matches the original design. Select any part and change its color, or use the node tool to select an individual path and adjust its colors. The logo will be a fully editable vector graphic in your editor software. You can modify it to match LinkedIn brand color. Open the LinkedIn website and take a screenshot of the LinkedIn logo. Return to your vector editor and drag the screenshot into the document. Next, you can select the logo you want to recolor. Choose the dropper tool. Hover over the blue in the LinkedIn logo screenshot and click to pick the color. It will be applied to the selected element, or use the node tool to select an individual path and repeat for any other parts. Then delete the screenshot. Open the Layers panel. You will usually see separate groups with individual paths for each letter or shape. This lets you select and edit each piece independently. Now you have full control of the logo. Scale it however you need without quality loss. When you are ready, open Export panel and export it in any format you want. To export just the LinkedIn icon, select the icon by itself and then export it. Save your SVG changes so you can use it later, and navigate to folder where logo is located. This is LinkedIn icon, and this full LinkedIn logo, and this source file to use in future. That's it. You can use this method to source social media logos and other logos you're entitled to use in your designs, marketing, or content, and reuse them easily with full vector quality. If you found this video helpful, like, follow, or subscribe button, and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear which topics interest you most. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.